Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add water to Dyson Air Purifier Cooler. To do this, first we'll need to open our water tank and remove it. You can find two buttons that are located, first one right here and another one directly on the other side. So just press on those buttons like that. Then you should be able to remove your water tank. Now we need to remove this white filter. So just grab it right here like I'm doing with my hands and just pull it up. So the filter is removed. Next thing is to add water, and you can add water directly in here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.